particular condition, or if
Hey
something
everyone,
that
this
is in a
Holly with the
specific
IT
field move
department
into an
at
option, I
Compact
can
Power
move it. So it's
Equipment
the same
Services.
type of conditions
And this
that we
video
have done
is
in the
meant to
past.
be a brief
Again,
training
if I want to
video on
remove a
some new
specific item,
changes
I
the
can
IT
select that
department
item,
has made
hit
in
delete,
efforts
and
to
then remove that
streamline the carts
condition
and
from
ladders
that item as
process.
well. Now,
to
one of
make
the
it
cool
quicker
things
for
that
you
they've actually
MSPs
done
in
with
the
this
field
now
from
is
a
this
technology
concept of
standpoint.
workflows. So
So
you'll
the
actually
first
see
change
for
we've
each
made, the
individual
largest
stage
change,
now that you can
is
actually
that
go in and
we are
associate
now going to have
workflows.
one call
Now,
per
there's two ways
store. So
workflows can
instead
be
of there
associated. They can be associated with a
5
specific
different work orders
stage,
at that
or they
store,
can be
there's only
kind
going
of
to be one
globally
work
associated
order,
with the
and you
workflow,
will
which
work
means
off
they would be
that
available
specific call for
throughout
all
different
types of
contexts of the
equipment.
workflow as people are moving forward. So from a
Instead of,
workflow perspective, I
ladders
can
call,
drag this
cart calls, now
workflow
it's only
into
gonna
any
be
one
one
of these
work order.
individual options.
So I'm going to come
And
in
this
here.
is where I can
The
now
second
start
change we've made
adding
is
a
underneath the
workflow
equipment. So when
to
you
this
click on the
particular
plus sign
stage.
to add a
Now,
new
a couple
piece
of things you'll
equipment
notice
that
with the
was
workflows
not
is they can be
already a
associated
store
with when you're
listing,
coming into a
you
stage
now
or when
are
you're
going to
exiting the
see
stage. They
the
can't necessarily
account
be,
and the customer
in
profile
the
for you. So you no
generalized
longer
mix of
have
it
to
where
type
people are
the store
entering
number.
information in. So you can
So
either
I'm
come
going
into
to
a
add a
stage
unit.
or when you're exiting a stage. The biggest thing to remember with your workflows is your workflows have to be
And
on-demand
select a model
workflows. So
number.
you cannot take a workflow that is available to we
assign
work with,
a
from an
condition
automatic
and
perspective.
status.
They have to basically be on-demand workflows, and they have to be associated with, as it says here,
I'm gonna
the
come
same
back
entity
out
that is
to the
associated
work
with this
order
stage.
incident.
So if they're not associated with the
now
same
will
entity,
see
they
that
won't work.
this
But now, if you
defaults
think
to
about what
active.
we've
So
tried
the
to do
next
in the
change
past
we've
with
made,
these
the third
individual
change, is
situations,
that
now you
no
have just
longer
much
do you
more
guys have visibility to
flexibility
tasks.
and granularity
So
as you're moving
from this
forward.
screen,
So this
you're
is
gonna
kind of the
hold
new
down your
updated
finger
mechanism that
on
you would see from a business process flow
the work
standpoint.
order
Now,
equipment
real quick,
screen,
we
and you're
mentioned the
going to see
task
these
flows.
radio
Let's just
buttons
go
to
ahead
the
and create a
left. So I'm
task
going
flow
to
here
select
real quick.
one,
And I just want
click
to
on the
mention
lines
kind of
at
a
the
couple of
top,
key points on that
and then I
as
have
well.
three
So give me one
options.
sec
I can
here.
complete, scrap, or repair the unit. So if you guys are selecting complete, you're stating that you as the MSP have completed all the necessary PM
Now
tasks
remember,
associated
mobile
with
task
that
flows
unit.
are,
So,
mobile only. The big
that's
thing that
the
you'll see with
selection
mobile
you'll
task
make
flows,
if the
again,
machine was
the editor
good,
is
you
very
scrolled
similar.
around, everything was
You'll still
working
have
in
your
order,
your
and you
pages
did
and
not
your
have to
conditions.
scrap
You just
nor
don't
repair the unit.
necessarily have
The other two, again,
workflows that are
self-explanatory. If
available
I'm
to them,
scrapping the
and
machine,
then you
I'm
have
saying
more
that
kind
that
of
unit is
fields
no
and
longer at
labels
that
and
location,
sections,
and I've
so
done
you
all the
can create
necessary
different
tasks
sections. Because remember,
associated
from a
with
mobile task
scrapping
flow,
and
you
removing
might
that
be
unit
updating a
from
different
their
entity or
fleet
multiple
of
related
carts or
entities
ladders or
based
whatever
upon
the
what you've
equipment
done
type
from a
may be,
specific activity.
and then
So
repair.
this has all the different
Again,
section labels
self-explanatory.
and
If I
multiple
have
items that you
not
would be
scrapped
looking
it, nor
at
was
from
it
a
good,
mobile
but I had
task
to
flow
make a
standpoint.
repair.
And then the
That's
other
what
one that
I'm
we
gonna
won't
select.
necessarily bring
So
that in at
if
this
you
point,
are
but the other one would be
selecting
business
repair,
rules.
make
Business
sure you
rules
put in the
use this
notes that
same
you did to the
editor as well
machine,
when you're
ensure that
moving
you
forward. And then they've
select
added
the
a
correct
couple of
problem,
additional
calls, and
options
repair
on the
code,
business rules as well.
and
So that's going to do
the
it for
parts
today. I hope you
if
enjoyed
any
our
parts
look
were
into
needed.
the new
So
updated business
for just
process flow editor as
demonstration
part of
purposes,
Dynamics
I'm going to select
365.
scrap.
I would highly
You
encourage
now
you just
see
to go
that
out and play
machine
with it.
has
There's some
scrap
really
out
cool
beside
stuff.
it.
Obviously, from a time frame
And so the
perspective, we're trying to
tasks
get
are still
everything
here on the
in
back
10 minutes.
end,
We
but
didn't have an
instead of
opportunity to
making
really
you guys
delve in and
these
show you,
calls
all
have
the ins
so
and
many
outs. But I think
units,
if you have an
go into
opportunity
each
to play with just even the
individual
basic
task and
concepts
say
that
that
we
you
showed you in this
completed
video,
it.
I think you'll see there's
This
just
is
a lot of
solution
cool
to make
things
it
and just new
streamlined
items
for
that you can
y'all.
work with,
So you
particularly
just
when you
select,
think about
you can
how
also do a
processes work now
multi-select
with the ability to do abandoned
on all the
processes
ones
and running
that you
concurrent processes and some of
you've
those
done,
items that are
and then
available.
select here.
So again,
and
I hope you
state
enjoyed it.
what
For all
it
of
is
us
that you
here at
did with the
CRM Tip of the
unit.
Day, this has been Derek saying thanks a lot
And
for
that
watching,
also
everybody.
makes
Take care
you
and have a
able
good
to
one.
work in offline mode fully. So again, this can be done completely in offline mode. And as always, guys, if you have any questions or concerns, just reach out to us at the IT Help.
Hey everybody, it's Derek and welcome back to CRM Tip of the